Oh, should I have to say Welcome to Midea Taste Tactics. I am here with Michelin chef Adam Reid from Manchester. Adam is not going to be alone in the kitchen today because we are joined by three very special guests. John Stones, Jack Grealish and Oscar Bobb. I'm ready to go. I love it. Adam, what have we got for us then?
We've got a dish that I'm really excited about actually. My style of cooking is modern British. We wanted to celebrate the treble and what better way to do that than be inspired by the place where you won the final one of those 3 trophies. We've got a lamb barley stew, which is flavoured with Turkish inspired spices. Oscar, we've got some green chilli, going to take the greenest one we possibly can, and a little bit of coriander. I'd like you to dice this up as best you can. Jack, if you can jump in. Quarter of the cabbage, you're going to make the puree. Slice it as thin as you can, chuck it in the pan with all those ingredients. And then John, you're going to start with this beautiful slow roasted lamb shoulder, which we've slow roasted in the Midea oven for 3 hours, and it should be perfect and juicy and succulent, and just start shredding the meat off. Get going, guys.
Watch your fingers, mate. Watch your fingers, please. Watch your fingers.
Yeah, perfect.
Quite easy, isn't it, this cooking? Oh, look at that.
I've got this barley, which we've cooked in this Midea rice cooker. So you can see it's all beautifully fluffy and juicy. If you can pick out just the meat, so no bones, and just get it in with that.